So the problem that the use callback hook actually solves is very similar to the problem that the use memo solves. The fact that, for example, when you have some sort of function that is passed to a child component, for example, or just a function in general that you have in your application, it will recreate itself at every re-render, and that will cause issues both for the situations where you might want to use the use callback and for situations where you might want to use the use memo. However, there is a very clear difference between both of them, which is that with the use memo hook, you're able to store a value that is memoized from a function. So a function that returns some sort of value, you can memoize that and store that value into a variable. Which is not this case. It's the case that we did with the use memo. However, the difference with the use callback is that with the use callback, you don't store the value that is returned from the function. You can actually store the memoized function in itself.